Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to potentially buy as the year ends here. We only have about 1 week left in the year of 2021. We're going to be going into 2022 and looking at some hot coins right now to be buying, obviously, altcoins on this list. So the market currently in the past 24 hours is up about 0.38%. Our top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Adventure Gold, up about 20% or so. Bitcoin is our highest volume as usual, but volume has significantly went lower here with Ethereum and Bitcoin obviously in the past few days. So Bitcoin at 20.6 billion in volume, Ethereum at 10.3 billion. Bitcoin's actually up 1.7%, close to the 51,000 area once again, which is the resistance level that we've been talking about we need to get through. Hopefully this week, that could be a possibility. Ethereum still bouncing around that 4,100 area, up about 0.5% or so. And then obviously all altcoins are following the same pattern. They're up about 1% or so here. Binance Coin, Solana, Cardano, Ripple, Luna, Avalanche, and Doge, the meme right there. Polkadot being an outlier here, up about 8% or so. Polygon here up about 6%. We talked about Polygon in yesterday's video, so if you missed that one out, go check out yesterday's video. We have Uniswap up here 10%, Chainlink 7% or so. Near Protocol continue to make new highs here, 7% higher, climbing on higher and higher obviously. Cosmos up about 8% or so. Decentraland actually close to $4 once again, up about 5.8%. Trading at $3.40 or $3.93, very, very close to those $4 levels that it was trading at, just a few months ago. So we'll be watching that one as well. Now, guys, obviously, let's take a quick look at the crypto bubbles. So if we take a quick look at the crypto bubbles here in the past week, things are looking very, very green. Things are looking nice, and things are starting to come back up. So obviously, ones that stick out here, Cosmos, 46.5% in the past week or so. We have here Phantom up about 71%, making a nice move here. Aragon up 73%, Near Protocol over 74%, and many, many other winners on this list that you guys can obviously see on yourself. So go ahead and check that out as well. Things are looking good right now. We see ENJ and Sand right here, the Decentraland over here. All the metaverse coins are starting to pump on higher and higher here as well. And going into 2022, I believe that these metaverse coins will continue to grow higher and higher as it gets more, into it, I guess you could say. So guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me for the end of the year video right here. 50 plus likes in this video, guys. I know you guys can do it. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you're notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below which cryptocurrencies are you buying into the new year. Now, let's get into this list, guys. So the first altcoin is going to be Near Protocol, obviously one that's been pumping here in the past few weeks. So in the past 24 hours, this one is up 7%, trading at $15.69 currently. In the past week, this one's up 73%. Huge move from about $8. We actually talked about this coin last week. So if you guys already missed this one out, you could have been up over, 60, 70% from that video. Obviously, right now we're talking about it again for a potential run up into 2022. In the past month, this one's up 90%. And then on the 1 year chart, 1,212%. So this is the time where you kind of get in for the, pump, I guess. But obviously, you have to be, very careful for the downtrend as well. So this one was trading at $1.20 last December. Hit highs here in March and April, around $7 or so. Pulled back down with the market to about $1.68. Once again, back to where it was at the beginning of beginning of this year, and then continue to go higher and higher here. Pulled back down with the market to about $8, and then boom, now we're just going higher and higher, destroying that all-time high area previously at $12. Now we're trading at over $15. Market cap 9.4 billion here in market cap. Volume is 861.2 million, down about 22% lower than usual, but obviously Near Protocol making a new high here, which is beautiful to see, close to that 10 billion market cap, and there's plenty more room for this one to run, in my opinion. We've had about a $7 run right there, about an 80% upside or so from the low, and I think that this one could continue to go higher and higher going into next year, and we could see some crazy price action with this one as well. So this one's definitely going to be on our list to watch, guys, for the next few months. Now, the second altcoin is going to be Polkadot, also known as DOT. So DOT here is up about 8.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $31.47. In the past week, this one's up 27% from lows of $23. Obviously, that is nice right there. We saw a huge dip, obviously, in the market. Great at buying opportunity. In the past month, we're obviously down 9% or so. In the past year, we're up over 512%. So this coin was trading at around $5 here last year in December. Hit highs here in February at around $40. Try to break through those highs twice here in March and May, obviously $48 or so. Pulled back down with the market to about $10 and then start to go on higher and higher, breaking through all-time highs at $55 right there. So about a 400% upside from the low that we saw pulled back down with the market from $55 all the way down to $25. So over a 50% correction right there with the rest of the market. Most altcoins actually pulled back down close to 50% around the same time period. And we continue to talk about that bottom, obviously, for the past week or so. That was a great opportunity to buy the dip for any long-term investors that believe in the cryptocurrencies for the long term, if it fits their criteria, obviously. So market cap currently at 31.1 billion. Volume's up over 100% higher than usual at around 1.7 billion in volume. Typical hold time is going to be 38 days. We are on a ranked number 7 on the list. 69% buy activity, 31% sell activity. Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. Now, DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect new chains, obviously. So something to keep in mind, though, is the reason Polkadot can process all of this information is because the many pair chains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay. So as a result, the Polkadot network can process more than 1,000 transactions per second, and they're actually hoping that they can actually hit speeds that could hit 1 million transactions per second eventually. And this is compared to Bitcoin 7 or Ethereum's 30, which is a lot less, obviously, compared to where Polkadot already is. Much faster speeds, and in the year we're living in right now, in the era, we need speed. Speed is something that is key. Speed is money, I guess you could say. So speed is definitely something that we always look for. The faster, the better. You always want to be the first one. You don't want to be, second or third or even last. You want to be number one. So Polkadot continues to, outperform here, especially thanks to those speeds that it has on there. So Polkadot, definitely another coin we're going to be watching in the year of 2022 as well. And then last but not least, our third altcoin on this list is going to be AAVE. So AAVE has been, lagging behind recently, but it's making a nice move here, up about 5.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $270. In the past week, this one's up over 47% from lows of about 167. And then on the 1 month chart, we're up 16%. 1 year chart, we're up 252%. So last year, this was trading at 74 cents or $74. Hit highs here in February at around $518. That was a high. Consolidated here, broke through highs, hit 670, pulled back down all the way to lows of about 180. So that is a nice like $500 drop right there. Huge drop. Hit highs again at 400, then continued to pull back lower and lower all the way down to lows of 150, which was previously, a support level right here that we saw in June. Bounced off of that, 170 level. Now we're trading again at 270. If it can break through this $325 area, 300 area of resistance that we see, we could hit that next resistance level around this $400 area, which kind of, we saw here in the beginning of the year as well. And then obviously if we can break through that, we have $500 resistance and then the all-time high resistance after that. So we're going to be watching AAVE very closely. Obviously a 250% gain in the past year, still great compared to some of the other, cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. If you actually take a look at Bitcoin, I believe that we're only up about 100% on it in the past year. So AAVE outperformed Bitcoin if you guys want to look at it that way. And it's only at a 3.6 billion market cap. Very, low in my opinion right there. Volume is flat at 412.5 million. We have typical hold time at 22 days. It is ranked the number 30th coin on the list. 49% buy and 51% sell activity. AAVE is an Ethereum token that powers AAVE, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers, obviously. Now, the depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrower is able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So definitely interesting how that works with AAVE, and a coin that I think could do very great in 2022, as it is still a mid cap market cap coin, but it is on the lower side in my opinion at only a 3.6 billion market cap. Plenty of upside potential in the year of 2022. So we're going to be watching that one very closely, guys. So now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market, the memes, obviously. So Dogecoin. Hovering around this 19 cents area, close to 20 cents again. So 25.3 billion here, market cap. We saw highs actually close to about 20 cents actually at one point here over the weekend, which was very nice to see. On Christmas Day, we saw it around 20 cents or so. In the past month, obviously, we're down a little bit, but we're making a little bit of an uptrend, which is good, obviously, from those lows that we saw with Doge. Is finally making a little bit of a curve on up, so definitely positive thing for Dogecoin holders. Bitcoin up about 1.7%, but honestly, it's been trading around this level here for the past 2 or 3 days. So we've been trying to, bounce around this level. We can't break through that 52,000 area. If we can break through that area this week, we could see this one continue to go up higher and higher into the end of the year, kind of like a Santa Claus rally that we saw in the stock market that continues to pump on higher. In the past month, we're down 5%. In the past year, we're up 93.99%, guys. That is kind of shocking, you know. Bitcoin's not even up 100% or so in the past year, which is, you know, a shock to most investors, because if you would have bought in a year ago, you'd only be up about 93%. And compared to some of the other cryptocurrencies that you could have got in, that is not a big gain. So there's many other opportunities out there that could have returned a lot more in a shorter time period. I mean, if we just look at Near Protocol, in the past week, it's made 73%. Meanwhile, Bitcoin made 93% in a year. I mean, Near Protocol investors pretty much won here in the past week. So, you know, Near Protocol, Bitcoin, you want to see who's the winner. Short term, long term, depends how you look at it. Market cap 963 billion, 32% of the crypto market space. We have flat volume, obviously. Typical hold time 77 days, 69% buy activity, 31% sell activity on this one. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum here trading at around 4,100. It is flat here in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're up 4%. Past month, we're flat as well. So in the past whole month of, you know, between November and December here, we've been trading at this level. If we bought in at the beginning of the year or beginning of the month, we'd be pretty much flat. On the 1 year chart, it is up 500%, which is very, very beautiful to see. Once again, another coin that has been outperforming Bitcoin in the year of 2021. So definitely beautiful to see. A lot of these coins are destroying Bitcoin's returns. So 485.3 billion market cap, like we said, 16% of the crypto market space, 69% buy activity, 31% sell activity on this one. Volume is flat and 69-day typical hold time. As we continue to say, Ethereum is performing very well. Bitcoin didn't perform as well this year, but can we see Ethereum continue to grow in the year of 2022 and possibly beat, you know, Bitcoin's gains once again? It's definitely a possibility, guys. So, guys, let me know, what do you guys think about all these coins? Obviously, we've had some winners, some losers this year. Let me know in the comments below which cryptocurrencies have made you the most gains in the year of 2021. As always, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys have a great one. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.